don't smoke right, bitch.
Go for it. 2359.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Patrol Vlog Season 3, Episode 15. We're getting up there, guys. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to turn notifications on for when I post new videos. If you're new here, I'm Mikey Mo. I've been a police officer for a little over 15 years, and on this channel we discuss law enforcement topics, as well as take you on ride-alongs like today's video, where you get to watch some of my body camera footage of calls I go to, show you what we really do on a day-to-day basis. This first call comes in from a citizen who came across a man who was visually impaired and having a hard time finding his way home.
Hello, gentlemen.
How you doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Great. Okay. Person I just met, he's lost.
Okay.
And he said he come from Turner Street and that he's trying to get to his mom's house.
Okay.
Which I don't know where the.
So he says this is MLK.
Where?
Right?
Yep.
Okay.
Do you know the address of your mom's place, or?
I do. Well, yeah, actually, yeah. It's well, maybe I don't know that one.
Is it on MLK, or is it on what road is it on?
On MLK. It's
Okay.
at a complex called Sunshine Terrace.
Okay. Yep. That's just a little bit further down the road.
That way, right?
Nope. Nope. The other way. That's north, and then this is
That
south. Yeah. Sunshine Terrace is down that way.
Oh, I see what I did. I accidentally crossed it.
It's all right.
Yeah, on the other side.
You want to jump in my car and I'll shoot you down there real quick? Can I help you out a little bit, or?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Let's do that. No problem. I appreciate you stopping with them.
So,
How much can you see?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay then. All right. You take it easy. All right.
All right. None.
None at all?
Nope.
All right, you want to hold my arm or
Just hold it.
follow? Okay. Gonna come over here to your right a little bit. All right. Now hold on one second. I'm gonna unlock the door, and there's a little curb right here. You're about ready to step up to it. You feel it? You're hitting it with your toes there. You just have to step up that little curb, and then I'll get the door for you. 1 second. 1 second. It's back here a little bit. Here we go. All right. Just feel your way around in there a little bit. The seat's made out of plastic, so it's kind of just.
Well, what kind of car is that?
It's a police car.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're a police?
Yep.
So you did call 911.
Yeah, I don't know if it was 911 or not, but he got us. Here, get your leg in, and I'll close the door so you don't get pinched. You just have to slide over a little bit.
I'm not getting in there.
Why not?
Because I'm not a convict.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the back, too. I'm not getting in there.
Okay, why not? Are you claustrophobic? Do you want to sit on the other side where there's not the plastic seat?
No, I'm not getting the back.
Well, you're going the wrong way again. Sir, did you hear me? You're going the wrong way. You're going north, but you need to go south. If you said Sunshine Terrace, that is south. We have two seats. We have one that's like the plastic one like you were in, and then one that's a normal side. Would you feel more comfortable if you sat on the normal side that doesn't have the like little cage thing around it? It's a normal padded seat, like normal door handle, everything. Would you prefer that side? I can move some of my equipment out of the way and you can sit on that side if you'd like.
Sure.
You want to do that?
No, I have my bearings. I just rather walk.
What's that?
I just rather walk. I have my bearings now. I just rather walk.
Okay, you can do it safely. All right, you are not at the end of the curb right now, like where the crosswalk is. You'd be in the road if you walked across right now.
Yeah, I never crossed this way, so.
Okay, well, you gotta wait a minute. You don't have the crosswalk right now. You sure you don't want to sit on the other side? It's a normal seat.
All right, I'll do it.
Okay. Oh, you're not in trouble. I'm just trying to help you out, you know? Just give me 1 second to move my bag. Where did you go? Oh, you made it all the way to the front. Hold on, I just have to move my bag out of the way so you have a place to sit.
Okay.
I don't know how my boss would feel about that. All right, if you want to feel around in here, this is a normal seat. You're not locked in, it's not in a cage, it's a double, in fact, it's like a seat and a half wide. There's the regular seat and then like a baby seat next to it. Does that feel a little bit better?
I'll go with that.
All right.
This is 4-3-year-old white female got blonde hair.
Confirm your station.
No, we are pretty much just always out and about driving around. And then when a call comes out, we just head to that area. We all have like zones that we stay in. That way you don't send somebody from way down here all the way to like a far north part of the city.
Is that plastic seat? Is that plastic so when like people like pee on it? Or is that...
I mean, that helps. The big thing is for, all right, so there's Sunshine Terrace and Sunshine Towers. Terrace? Okay. Can you get to it from either side? It looks like you can.
I think so.
Yeah, I see they have signs out for both sides. Yeah, the big reason for it is so people can't hide things in the seat cushions.
Oh.
So like if they have drugs on them that we didn't find or anything else, they could tuck them in between the seat cushions back in the old days. And now they can't. All right, Sunshine Terrace, what building? Do you know? All right, let's get you out. Take one more step to your left for me, and that way I don't hit you with the door. Perfect. All right, do you know how to work your way up to, you said, what is it now? Okay, so we're at 101, so if you want to follow my voice, 102 should be the one right next to it. Come to your left a little bit, and there's the walkway right there. Yep, come straight up there. Well, a little bit to the right. All right. All right, well, we are home.
I'm gonna go here so she don't see me.
How are you? Yes, I have someone who belongs to you.
Yes.
He got a little turned. No problem. I had to coax him to get in the back seat. He didn't want to do it originally.
Tried to put me on the other side with a plastic seat and stuff.
So I moved all my gear so he could sit on the other side and make him feel more comfortable. No problem. You guys have a good evening.
All right, thanks.
No problem.
All right, so that is how we wrapped that call up. It took a little bit of convincing, but I was able to get him in the car and we gave him a ride home. I was definitely concerned for his safety because even when he tried to walk off that second time, he was going the wrong direction. He wasn't familiar with that crosswalk, and I just felt it was necessary to aid him in this situation. Fortunately, everything went smooth and he is home safe and sound. This next call coming up is a disturbance between two women, one wanting to claim a theft, the other saying it never happened. Tell me what you think.
No. I'm sleeping. She up there drunk all day.
Okay.
She stole my stuff. I ain't still shouting in her sleep. You're not supposed to be on the premises.
Let me talk
She just got up on R&R. She's not supposed to be on the call town.
They stole my stuff.
You was up there.
He ain't even supposed to be here.
I'm not worried about
that's
him
my home.
if she doesn't care that he's here. So she fell asleep. She's saying she fell asleep on your porch.
No.
I just want a police report.
No.
My
Go to the
ID,
store.
everything is gone. My whole
Go
life.
to the store.
Just let me get a police report.
It doesn't work that way.
No, she was drinking liquor. She was drinking beer.
Okay.
With a leg. She just got out of jail on R&R. She drunk. Right there.
Did you see any of her stuff around?
She never had this. I was sitting there asleep. She not supposed to be here.
Okay. I
Why the store man? Everybody looking at her. Her leg wide open. You drinking liquor. Drinking beer.
Okay. So you never saw the stuff?
I went to the store. She was laying down.
Her son.
That man
As
asked
a matter of
her to
fact,
leave.
if you smoke crack out this house again, you won't
Bitch, I
agree.
don't smoke crack, bitch.
You been smoked.
Bitch, get your ass out.
smoke
Okay.
crack.
You don't know anything about it, right?
No,
That's all.
I
I just had to
don't.
come over.
I live here.
That's fine.
You
You don't know
You can go
nothing.
back inside.
You
You can
know
go back
nothing.
inside.
No,
you
go
know
to the
nothing about
store.
my shit.
Go to the store.
You don't know nothing about
That's
my
fine.
You just
Okay.
got out of jail.
Hey, so what
here's
I
the deal.
do- Yeah. So here's the deal. I have to file that because my food stamp
Hey, I told you can go back inside.
I don't give a fuck
She
about
suck
Tim.
up the rib
Tim is an
and
addict.
ass
You're a
off.
drug
All
addict.
right.
Like you
You
are.
just got out,
All right. Go back inside, ma'am.
bro.
I know. Okay.
Just got out R&R.
Okay.
Hey, Dan, you
Hey,
need
they got the
your old man
fucking
gonna beat you up.
All right. Okay. Stop talking to her. Stop talking to her.
She ain't about shit.
Okay.
She's still no life.
Okay. Here's
Hey,
the
so
problem.
I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do this right here. I'm going down. I got my birth certificate. I got all my stuff.
Okay.
So I'm going to file right now.
Okay.
Right. So my food stamp card, and my wallet, everything.
You just tell him you lost it.
That no problem. I want these pussy ass niggas, 'cause they pussy niggas.
Okay. But that doesn't have anything to do with your misplaced property. We have no proof to even say anything that somebody took this or it was
All
lost
I
or whatever.
wanted to do is ask for a police report for me to go down and say my stuff was missing.
But you don't need
I
a police
looked
report to
in
do
my
that.
ID.
Just say you lost
My
it.
drop. Okay.
That's all you have to do is say you left it on the bus. You lost it somewhere. You don't know
With
what
my
happened
social
to it.
security number,
Yeah.
I got that. That's what I'm telling you. I want y'all.
Well, don't go back up on the property there if you're not supposed to be there. Oh, okay. All right.
And then you still ain't logged on, nigga.
Everybody's so angry.
I'm not.
Well, not you guys, them.
My company did pretty good.
Oh.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So what did you think of that last call? You heard the guys in the background, they said it themselves. Some real life Jerry Springer shit going on there, which realistically that's just a Tuesday. I'm sure I'm gonna get questions about that call. Why didn't you do anything? Why didn't you arrest somebody for disorderly conduct? So on and so forth. I've gotten a lot of questions like that in some of the other calls or videos that I've posted on the channel, and it's actually making me think we're about due for a questions and answer video because I've been getting a lot of questions of the same stuff over and over again. So I would like to address that from the comments and DMs that I get on Instagram and things like that. So with that being said, that's probably going to be one of my upcoming videos mixed in with the patrol vlogs as a separate video. So if there is something that you have been dying to know, leave it in the comments down below or hit me up on Instagram, DM me a question that you have, and if it's one of the ones that's been asked repetitively or it's a good question that I can answer for you, I will throw it into the next video. Now, with that out of the way, the two videos I showed you today, pretty simple, run-of-the-mill stuff that we do. The first guy, that was one of those cases where it was actually a little frustrating for me, and I try to sympathize with somebody like that and realize or put myself in the position that they are. And to him, it was probably somewhat unnerving getting into the back of a police car, not being able to see, not really sure what's going on. But then on my side, because obviously I know what I'm doing, I'm just genuinely trying to give this man a ride home and help him out, and I have no ill intent whatsoever. So knowing that I'm just trying to do good and him being resistant to it made it a frustrating experience, but we were able to work it all out. You saw I moved my gear, sat him on the other side, made him feel more comfortable, and got him home. And this is a case, like I said in the narration, where I just didn't feel comfortable with him navigating that street on his own. Just in the short time that I was there, I could tell he was having a hard time with it. Those sidewalks are not the greatest over there, and I just felt like this would be the better solution to give him a quick courtesy ride home. And fortunately, we were able to do that and move on. Now, as for the second call, that came in as a theft. I met with the woman. As soon as we got there, you see the two of them get into it. And to be honest with you, I just kind of sat back and watched. It's somewhat interesting to me, if that's the word I want to use, to let the people try and hash it out themselves with me there as somewhat of a mediator. I can obviously get involved if things get too out of hand, but for the most part, I try to let some of these people figure it out themselves and see where we're at the end of the day. In a case like this, you could see there was just no figuring it out between the two of them. They were just going to yell and scream at each other, and we were going to get nowhere. So at that point, I went ahead, separated everybody, and moved on with it. And just like a lot of calls we get from people, we are absolutely not necessary there. She wanted a police report for her missing driver's license and personal belonging. There is nothing to support any kind of theft. She is a known person in the area. She drinks heavily, and like the woman in the video saying, she was passed out on the porch. Who knows where she dropped that stuff, set it down, just can't remember. Or, I mean, it could have been taken, but zero way of ever tracking these things down. And it's as simple as an ID card and a social security card. They'll all be replaced. All she has to do is say that she lost it, and we move on. So it's not something that warrants a full police report or anything like that. but we did give her a call for service. It's documented in there that she talked to us and she can obtain those new documents without any issues. So that's how that got handled. Again, I'll touch on it on the questions and answer, but the screaming and stuff like that for disorderly conduct, we as police cannot be the victims of disorderly conduct. So I would have had to have had an actual complaint from someone there in the neighborhood who was offended by or bothered by their behavior. And we just weren't going to have that in that situation. So there was no way I could ever charge them with disorderly conduct or do anything about it. And that's why I let them hash it out a little bit and enjoyed the show like the other two gentlemen that were in the background. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, a little look into a day in patrol with me. I have more videos in request right now, waiting for those to come in, so we'll keep these rolling. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments down below. I try to get back to as many people as I can who have genuine questions or not understanding something and try to explain it to them. And we're not always going to agree on the answer, but I do my best to put it out there for everybody to see. Anyway, I hope all of you are doing really good. There are a lot of new faces around here. We've had almost 3,000 subscribers just in the past week or so. So welcome to everybody new. I want to let you guys know I appreciate it more than you will ever know. So welcome aboard. Thank you so much. Again, we're going to do this question and answer here coming up so you can get filled in on a few things that you want to know. And if you have any of those questions, like I said, leave them down below in the comments. All right, guys, until the next video, I want you guys to take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.